Good morning from my beautiful $18 oceanside resort right here in Thailand. I rode in on this Harley Davidson Pan America and slept a beautiful night. Fishermen are out working the land. You see the guys over there pulling in nets. And here we got a boat making its way across. This is a beautiful area. I can't believe it's only $18 a night. But I've got a major problem, and really honestly a secret I've been keeping from you and the entire world because, well, I didn't want it catching up with me, and today we've got to get it handled. Do y'all see any problem here? What's the problem with this bike? It has absolutely no license plate. There's another tag that's supposed to go with it. Harley Davidson has got the tag and the paperwork all there waiting for me. So today, about a 3.5-hour ride to Phuket. If I can make it today without getting pulled over and this bike impounded, because, well, that is the penalty for not having a tag, I will get a tag on it and then I will be legal. So, you know. Got some shade. I sit right here. So it's very common for them just to have the water sitting on the table when you arrive. Every table. Here is our menus. So we just got the ladies cooking back here, making us up some food. No idea what this is gonna taste like. Oh my God, it's really good. It's sweet. Definitely can taste the tea. I don't know, it's really good. But what I'm really excited for is this mixed pad thai. It's got beef, pork, chicken, and shrimp all in one dish. Now in Thailand, it is traditional to eat with a fork and a spoon, one in each hand. This is how they do all their eating. Anytime you see a Thai person eat, they've got a fork and a spoon all in one hand. Although I tend to go onto the fork, they seem to use the fork to go onto the spoon. Oh, that's good. I mean, that's real good. The entire meal came at a cost of $3.25. That's including the drinks. Well, after about 5,000 miles, riding Thailand completely legally, today we get legal. Let's see what the showroom looks like. Oh yeah. Air conditioning. Looks good. One of my favorite things about Harley is getting off the bike, hitting the air conditioning, and grabbing a coffee. Let's see if they got any. Oh, there it is. Oh yeah, a lounge and some coffee. All right, so I have a plate on. It's like a dealer plate because my plates haven't arrived yet. So I'm gonna go down. I was told there are 2 different areas in Phuket worth seeing. Well, there's a lot of areas worth seeing, but this is like the party life over here. So I'm gonna go over here to the old town and see what the history looks like in Phuket. And from there's some piers, and maybe we'll take a day trip and visit one of these islands out here. But let's get over here, spend a night or two while we wait for this plate to come in. Look at all these mirrors. This is what these truckers do. They lace their mirrors with more mirrors. How many mirrors do you think are there? That's pretty wild. This is what they do. I don't know what he's dripping off the back of there. It's wet. I probably don't want to be riding up in that. So we're just gonna scoot around this guy. There we go. Now look at mirrors on top of mirrors on top of mirrors. You ever seen anything like that? They do the same thing with the lights on top across the light bars. I'm sure this guy's got a bunch of them. Yeah, look at all the lights he's got up there. Yeah, that's awesome. Well, I can see why there's so many motorcycle accidents. These bikes are just all over the place. Look at this, in and out, weaving back and forth. It's insane. Well, I'm sure it'll get congested up here again in a minute. We'll just hold tight. Watch this guy. Yeah, he's just gonna dive in there. So am I now. Wow. They're just in and out. These scooters are just popping out of every crevice you can imagine. This is another thing I love. These guys paint their mud flaps with pictures. I don't know who that is. Who can tell me who that is? The amount of scooters is crazy. Thank you. I gotta get around this guy. Look at these guys. Just getting the job done. Oof. Yeah, this is a little hectic through here. I'm not gonna lie. This is why I don't have side bags right here. Let's see what we can do. This would be very stressful with side bags cutting through this like this. So there we got the police on a scooter. Good thing I got a tag. I think I'm just gonna fall in behind him. All right. So this is cool. A lot of these intersections have spots up front like that with the scooter symbol on it to tell you that that's scooter parking. So the scooters filter forward. They want you to stop behind that, just like everybody's doing here. I tried this Hop Hotel, but they were sold out, even though it said online they had some rooms. I checked, there's a Best Western 30 minutes away, and I got points that never expire, but they were sold out too. I got a hotel right now holding a room for me for 10 minutes. My GPS says I'm 8 minutes away. We'll see if we can't make up a little time. It's kind of tough to do around here though. Oh man, hard to get a hotel in Phuket at a reasonable rate. So this is $110 a night, which is, you know, 5 times what I'm used to paying, but you know, it's location. This is Phuket and it is very busy and very desirable. So I'm gonna do 1 or 2 nights and then I'm gonna get out of here because this really isn't my scene. I'm only just waiting on these tags. It's the only reason I'm here. Although I wouldn't mind going to some islands, but I think I can get them from a smaller city on the other side of this peninsula. I can get out of this busy city. All right, here's what $115 will get you in the city. Nice rainfall shower. Nice bathroom. Beautiful room. Good bed, balcony, couple chairs. Couple of chairs out here. And it's pretty much overlooking the pool, sort of. That traffic was pretty hectic today, and exactly why I do not really like running saddlebags on a motorcycle when I'm coming to towns where things flow so freely, because you got to go in and out and around, and then wide bags slow you down big time. And this is what I love about my El Sandoval bag. It's big enough, it expands, it opens from both sides. Go another 6-8 inches on either end of that thing yet to fit more luggage. It's got all these tie down points that won't scratch your bike, that you can connect things to all the way down the front and the back. This is really an ideal situation. I can pack an entire week's worth of clothes in there and I don't have to sweat it. Then I just throw this thing on the other side with my electronics in it and I'm good to go.